Imagine a world where infectious diseases are a thing of the past. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, science is turning dreams into reality. From vaccines that can prevent diseases to antibiotics that can treat them, we're making remarkable strides. Every day, scientists are working tirelessly to outsmart these microscopic invaders. The recent development of mRNA vaccines is a testament to this. Using our body's own machinery, these vaccines teach our immune system to fight off diseases before they strike. But the fight doesn't stop there. Innovative techniques like CRISPR-Cas9 are being harnessed to edit our DNA, giving us potential new weapons against these invisible enemies. We've come a long way, but the journey isn't over. Every breakthrough, every discovery brings us one step closer to a world free from the threat of infectious diseases. This isn't just progress, it's a revolution, and it's happening right now. Stay tuned, stay curious, and keep exploring the incredible world of science.